Horse.
I don't care.
I'm Margaret, by the way.
Oh, I'm Tana.
Tana?
Nice to meet you. Taya's mom.
Hi.
Picard's family.
Boy, he's starting to really wear himself well. I do too. And he's pretty good.
Yeah. Stand out whether we think it or not, I don't know.
I feel confident. Well, that's the only problem with a horse of a different color is that
Yeah,
they
you
normally
remember the
say
brown
whether
one
he's
made a
doing
mistake,
good or
and you
bad.
remember the gray one made a mistake.
Yeah.
You might not remember which brown one, you don't have a...
Yeah, which brown one made the mistake? Oh, but the gray horse did.
I had that problem with Express too. He was
Yeah,
just
'cause he
colored
stood out.
so much that he stood.
Well, I think
Yeah, I
have the
heard
same
he
problem.
didn't do so well
Love
at
it,
Dayton.
too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, we had fun. We won the qualifier and got reserve and novice in the championship.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Isabel. And then we got to get to Shelbyville, got whooped. No, I got to ring. Oh, I got to pick up my ribbon. I squeaked out with the ribbon in the championship.
Cool.
It was so much fun. That is a cool place.
Everyone's always cool with that. I should know what they did.
Uh-huh. Yeah. But yeah, I really like that. Twin Rivers, that's Bill's favorite show.
That's a wonderful show.
I think I might skip Midwest and go there next year.
Yeah.
Midwest is so political. It sucks.
Yeah, no. Twin Rivers you love. You just,
Yeah, I was very.
and it's fun and it's in a nice town and everything's just relaxed and fun about it. It's in Delaware, Ohio, just north of Columbus. It's got an old-fashioned Main Street, a bunch of really nice restaurants, you eat outside or inside. There's just tons of stuff.
It's convenient to the fairground, and you're only, 3 miles from the
Yeah.
fairground.
No, it's really-
hotel.
Oh, that's nice too.
That's Bill's favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, and Coco is like, What's a canner?
That's a gator horse canner.
It's a rough one.
It's a gator horse. He's doing it.
Trying awful hard. No, he's trying.
He's trying.
He's really